Kani kedai ke Batisi TV, bat pidang pet ya ke kubur baman kasni, belawan rashapi tak ke rupa, ringkat bat ke Orange Nissan, lom sokpo near Fire Brigade Ground, Shillong.
New Nissan Kicks. Bookings open now.
General Secretary jong ke Sengking Atiar belawan pendam white no jong ke Jela Assam, ya ke balatip kum ke United Liberation Front of Assam, Anup Chetia, hakasan tarik mentau benai rempang arja kat kendai. Ulawan yuk jat hakaning nong bak Shillong, ban penskam ye ke North East Indigenous Peoples Forum, Meghalaya Chapter. Hakaning ke sengi la penskam yu bak Wilbert Rani, kumu Chairman jong ke Kenhon, ubak People Thank You, kumu Vice Chairman, ubak Sadan Kebla, kumu General Secretary, ubak LD Warjri, kumu Joint Secretary, bat ubak Dandi Kongsen, kumu Spokesperson, New Nong Aiktian jong ke Seng hakaning ke Jela. Nalor kini la Thongru, yau Pritam E Marang, kumu Convener jong ke Garo Hills, bat yu bak Emlang Litan, kum advisor jong kani ke Kenhon. Hadian ke Jingelang kani ke Kenhon kelale ikan duru sayau menteri rang ba ke Jela u Konrad ke Sangma banai ai khoblai ya u halor ke Jingsim khia jong u banai persngau sheki bor jong ke sarkar pedeng ya ke Jing persya ya ka Citizenship Amendment Bill 2016. U Anup Chetia ha ke Jingkran bat ke Batisi TV hadian balawai ke Jelang ulai thu ba ke Jing tmuhi haba pen kha ya kani ke Kenhon ha kani ke than stela mingi kalang ban pet ya ke bha kamiat jong ke jai ban reu ret pai jong ke Jela kani ke than bat kham tam e ban persya jur ya ke Citizenship Amendment Bill 2016 balawara dak sarkar National Democratic Alliance balailam dak BJP ha Delhi.
We strongly oppose the Citizenship Amendment Bill, and regarding the Citizenship Amendment, we should be united, all the indigenous people of Assam, because through this Citizenship Amendment Bill, the government of India, especially this BJP government, BJP and RSS, they're trying to what is called finish our indigenous identity, culture, and heritage of the Northeast region. Therefore, in future of indigenous people of the Northeast region is in danger. Therefore, we should be united. We should be stand together against this Citizenship Amendment Bill. Otherwise, if this will pass, then our identity and future in danger. When this parliamentary committee they came to the Guwahati, at that time from our Northeast Indigenous Peoples Forum, we submitted a memorandum also and strongly opposed this bill, and we told them that if you pass this bill, then the situation will be worsened not only in Assam, all over the Northeast region, and the situation will be burning. And then if you want to pass this bill, then definitely it will burn, and not to pass this bill. But still, this government is determined to pass this bill. It is a very big threat to the people of Northeast region, especially the indigenous people of the Northeast region. We strongly oppose this. After that, we take some demonstration also in Guwahati, and we arrange some public meetings also in Tripura, and we make a demonstration in front of the Governor House in Guwahati also. And we submitted some memorandum also. And another one thing is that from our Northeast Indigenous Peoples Forum, Tripura chapter, Tripura People's Front, they submit a petition in the Supreme Court also, Honorable Supreme Court also, regarding the NRC, and they appeal to the Supreme Court to start the NRC process in Tripura also. This is the one of the activities of the Northeast Indigenous Peoples Forum.